Hi, in this video, we're going to use BridgeMaster to talk about finessing. So in this deal, level 1, A-7, your contract is 7 no trump. You have to win every single trick. You don't have to be afraid. You are actually pretty strong. And anyway, BridgeMaster is designed to show you very narrow focused techniques. So we're just going to look at this technique called finessing. Your opponent, my opponent, has led the 10 of hearts. Is there any place that we might be in danger with a 7 no trump? Yes, it's pretty obvious that the jack of spades is missing. Otherwise, we are pretty good. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 diamonds, 4, 5, 6 clubs, 7, 8, 9 hearts, 10, 11, 12. Wow, it does seem that we have 12 tricks. And if, for example, the jack, so in the spades, we have 9 tricks, right? So if, for example, the opponents are split evenly, we don't even have to worry about the jack of spades. No problem. Okay, so let's assume that the jack of spades is in an awkward spot for us. We have 9 spades, opponents have 4. The opponents could be split 4-0. If they were split 3-1, 2-2, or any combination like that, we are pretty much guaranteed to make our 13 tricks. So the issue here is in taking care of that potential danger that opponents have 4 spades headed by the jack. So we are looking at a possible danger, which is something you should look out for whenever you're doing your planning. All right, but also this deal is about looking at finesses. So where could the jack be? The jack could be here in east or here in west. So if jack was here in east, you would finesse this way, bring down the 2 and win with the 9 or 10. Remember, opponents would have 4 cards, right? So you already have 1, 2, 3. You only need to finesse once. What happens if the jack is here with 4 cards? Then you would play the 10 here. And if west did not cover with a jack, you would then play low. And again, you would win all the tricks in spades. So of course, you don't know where the jack is, either east or west, and whether there's 4 cards. So there's a way to narrow down your information. So let's show you. So let's say I win with the ace. Now I'm going to win 1 round of spades. Now, if everyone follows suit, I don't have to finesse. Actually, finessing usually is a 50-50 chance, right? So you usually want to try to avoid finessing if you can. So let's play 1 round of trumps first to see whether you really are in a 4-0 situation. And which trumps would you play? You would win with the king or queen of spades. You want the ace this side, you want a top card this side and a top card this side to guard against whether jack is here or here. So it's just better to win. Oops, and east has shown out. That means there's 4 jacks here. Now, if east didn't show out, right? it could mean that they are split fairly evenly and you can just win your top 3 tricks and the rest will be yours. But this is not the case. So just to be clear, this round of play is just to ascertain whether opponents are split relatively evenly in spades. And if they are not, if E showed out, that means Jack is here. If West showed out, then Jack is here, right? So you discover where the Jack is and you will be able to plan your finessing play appropriately. You can either finesse like that or like that. In this case, you want to finesse like that. Okay. So let's finesse. You play the 10 of spades. West stubbornly refuses to cover with the Jack, so you play low. 6 cards, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now everything is yours because you now have the top 2 cards. And the rest of the side suits, the tricks are yours. So basically you have made 7 tricks.